Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am King J. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I make one of my favorite smoothies every morning. I think you guys may love it as well, so stay tuned and let's get started. Okay, so the first thing we want to start off with is the main item of this smoothie, which is an orange. I'm using one whole fresh orange. I like to do fresh orange to give it as much juices as possible, and I place that in the blender first. Next, I like to add a 1/4 cup of frozen mangoes. Then you want to add about a 1/4 cup of pineapples. Pineapples is going to serve as a natural sweetener in this smoothie. Next, I'm going to add a few slices of bananas. Bananas are going to give that smoothie that creamy consistency. Then I add a couple slices of ginger. I don't know about you guys, but I love the taste of ginger in my smoothie. It also helps too with boosting your immune system around this time, which is something that we really need to focus on. Next, I'm gonna add some hemp seeds. Hemp seeds is super good and high in fiber, so I'm gonna throw that in too. Next, I'm adding in some flax seed. Flax seed is also high in fiber and it keeps you full for a lot longer too. Now, don't miss out on the chia seeds, guys. Chia seeds is a great source of omega-3, and it actually helps with losing weight. So I'm gonna put your little chia seed up in there, girl. Next, I added a handful of carrots into the smoothie. If you have kids, this is a great way to incorporate vegetables into their daily diet. So here I chose to add a little raw agave for sweetener. If you guys don't have raw agave, you can add honey or even maple syrup. I like to incorporate a little bit of turmeric in this smoothie. Trust me guys, you won't taste it and it's super good for you. I like to top it off with some ice and fresh squeezed orange juice and then blend. I'm using the Vitamix, guys, which is my favorite blender to use. If you don't have the Vitamix, you guys can still make this smoothie. Just blend until you get the consistency that you want and then enjoy the smoothie. Me personally, I like it a little bit thick. I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. If you did, please like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, I'll see you in the next video.